there in your family, in your home? Mom, dad, brother, sister, or many more? I mean, grandparents too? Yours is nuclear family or joint family? Before answering to these questions, I will explain you about nuclear family and joint family. You have already studied about this in your lower classes as well. So, nuclear family means a family consisting of a mother, a father and their children, not including aunts, uncles, grandparents, etc. And joint family means a family when lives together with all family members up to second generation like grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and their children is called a joint family. So today we are discussing the lesson nuclear test. Do you enjoy your grandparents' company? Do your grandparents stay with you or do they stay in a different place? Do you visit them often? Do they help you in your schoolwork? I love my grandparents' company a lot. You also discuss about this and you will be getting different answer for this, depends on their opinion. Now let's start with the lesson. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready for a fight. You already know, Anjali, Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things, her mother replied firmly. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Anjali cried and asked. Come on Anju, you are not giving up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objections.